Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying permissions and the storage type, because Android 15 tightened scoped access. Grant the app manage external storage or the exact media/file access. Use settings app's permissions. Once done, make sure the storage medium is mounted and has free space. Insufficient space can stop access. Also check whether the folder lives on SD or USB. External volumes require special URI permissions. I'll show how to obtain and persist those URIs next. You must use the Storage Access Framework to request and keep access. Launch Action Open Document Tree so the user selects the folder. Then immediately call Take Persistable URI Permission with read and write flags to persist writes across reboots. Once you have the URI, wrap it with document file. From tree URI to list and modify contents. If can write, returns false, refresh the permission or rerun the picker. Next, confirm file paths and legacy flags if the app uses file APIs. You finish by testing real operations. Create a small file, rename it, then delete to ensure full write permission. If operations fail, revoke the persisted URI and rerun the picker. Sometimes a stale permission blocks access. Also clear app cache and restart the device to reset mounts. If problems persist, capture logcat showing SAF or file not found exceptions and look for Android 15 policy messages. Those logs tell you whether the issue is permission scope, ownership.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.